Hello, I am Sam Gordon. I am your student's math teacher. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Here's a picture of my wife and my two children. I like to cook and bake, so here's a picture of some meatballs I made. And I also am really into running. Here's a picture of me and my dad together after a race we did. I want to talk about workflow a little bit. So in this class, any remote work will be on Schoology. It should be organized by the week and the date. So students should be able to go in there and figure out what they still need to do and what they've already completed. I'll also post our syllabus for the course in Schoology so you can review that. Another thing I want to tell you is in probability and statistics, there's a big semester one project called Be the Change that students will be doing. They'll be working on this all semester, and if they take the class for the whole year, they'll be working on it all year long. Your student will find out more information about this project in the first few weeks of school, so I just want to make you aware this is the biggest piece of the class is this project. If you need to get a hold of me, here's my email and my phone number. If you have questions or concerns, or you have something that you really want to share with me about your student before school starts, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.